For the final trade of the day, we have Joel Hawthorne, the founder of the Morning Snapshot, with us. And what is your stock of the moment, Joel?
Right now, I'm watching closely Netflix. I think this is a name right now that, just due to overall market sentiment, I think is still a little weak. I think we know the major sell-off it had due to their earnings report, but I do think that maybe there's a little bit more of a leg down here in the short term. So I'm watching this one closely.
So what's your trading strategy in Netflix?
Oh, absolutely. Right now, currently trading roughly right around 400. I'm going to actually sell the 405 call and hedge with buying a 410 call as a hedge to the downside. So I'm going to collect premium by selling the call, a vertical bear call spread. Will be out until next week. So this will give me roughly about 10 days or so just to kind of see if those bears in the market can keep this price somewhat trending to the downside.
As you know, Joel, Netflix shares were once $700. Those shares were also $7 at one point. So what's likely to happen again or come close to those numbers for Netflix?
You know, it's so tough to say right now. I think right now this stock is performing very similar to what the overall market is doing. I think the overall market, the VIX trading above 20, the equities trading in a range right now around some very strong support and resistance levels. So in the short term, I just think that a name like Netflix is having a tough time kind of breaking, gaining some momentum in either direction. I think we're going to kind of see some range-bound names here. Volatility here in the short term, I think, is here to stay as well. So I think these are tough markets to trade right now. I think it's just, for the most part, I think Netflix is really seeing a result of that.
Thanks as always, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.